Good morning, TMB family. So today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. Okay, this hair is doing the most. I decided to vlog a little bit. I am going to set up for a graduation party, and I wanted to just capture some of the behind the scene moment. I always show you guys like the finished product or whatever, but I wanted to just vlog a little bit and show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So I'm about to head to the venue. I'm about less than 10 minutes away from my house, so I'm headed over there, and I will see you guys when I get there and start the setup. See you soon. Okay guys, so I am about to start on my balloon garland, and I wanted to just share with you part of the process. Here I am using the electric pump. I got this off of Amazon. I will link it in my description box down below. I have some metallic silver balloons, red, black, and then another silver metallic. So I will get started, and let me share this with you guys. Really quick tip. If you do not have a balloon sizer, no need to fear. Look at what I'm using as an alternative. I have here a 9-inch bowl, and I'm simply blowing up the balloons and placing them in there to make sure that they're all symmetric in size. So yeah, that's my little tip. I will do a video or another little clip to show you exactly how I'm doing it, but I just wanted to share this tad bit with you as part of the process. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I realized part of the clip of me showing you how I'm actually sizing the balloons was missing from the footage, and I had already begun the actual process of creating the garland. So I'm going to just go right in and show you exactly what I'm doing here. I have the balloons already blown up, and I've tied them together, creating my bundle, my balloon bundle, and I'm doing here the figure 8 around each balloon. I take a new cluster of balloons and I connect it to an old cluster of balloons by using a figure 8 motion, and I'm pulling tightly. So I'm going to go back over now and grab more balloons and continue that process. See, I'm taking it in, pushing it in closely, and doing the figure 8 around the old or the previous bundle, and that ensures that it stays connected and tightly fit together. Here I am. I speeded up the process because I wanted to just get through this portion of the setup. But again, I am doing, as you can see, taking a new cluster, attaching it to the previous cluster by using the figure 8 motion. And you can certainly do a more organic style. This particular client wanted them all to be symmetric in size, but it has a very beautiful look if you do this same concept. Some balloons do pop. If you take this same concept and do different size balloons and just tie up various sizes and create the organic look that way, but the same concept applies. You just tie your clusters using the figure 8 motion, and I am using the balloon ribbon or the streamer. Some people use the fishing wire, but this is just a little bit thicker for me, so I feel more secure doing that. I've tried the fishing wire, and I just prefer this method. There's no right or wrong. Whatever is comfortable or works best for you, you can certainly do that. But here I am, you guys, just taking a new cluster, connecting it to the previous cluster using the figure 8 motion, pulling everything extremely tight together. I'm going to let the rest of the video play out to music, and then you will see the final look of this garland. And here she is. As you can see, it is absolutely stunning. I love the outcome of this particular balloon styling. The client wanted her name spilled on top of the garland with the silver metallic. She was very specific in her request. She's a graduated from high school, and she is going off on a missionary assignment. So her parents wanted to give her exactly what she wanted, and this was a home run. She was just ecstatic when she walked in the room and saw this beautiful, beautiful balloon garland. As you can see here, we added the metallic letters to spell out her name. And she absolutely loved it. And that is what makes my job worthwhile, to see the look on my clients' faces when they see their vision come to life. So I hope this video, you guys, was inspiring to you all, that you got some tips or just even the knowledge of how to create an organic balloon garland. If you see what you like and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. Here you will find all types of videos, from DIYs, home decor, event styling, as you can see, and so much more. Connect with me on my other social media sites. I can be found on TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So until the next video, you guys, I want you all to have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.